Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Thursday, the 14th of May 2020. It's 4:34 p.m. local time here in Da Nang. This is a look at the 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m., which was 34 minutes ago. So this is my trading view watch list on the right here. The pairs, these are all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. The ones highlighted in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in the video. Ones in blue are the ones I've currently got trades on. So let's go through it. We'll start with the AusCAD. Just got to refer to my notes. There's a new sell signal up here, this red dot on the QMP filter. Nice sort of resistance level up here, or double top, whatever you want to call it. Taking a sell there. There's two sells taken on this. No, there wasn't. There was one sell taken on this trade, on this candle. Sequence one, it's the only sequence at the moment. And that was trade three, the third trade. You can read my notes here, just pause the video and read it. So I'm going to buy in a sell that's designated, that's my first trade, S1 sequence one. That's S1 sequence one there. First trade is a sell designated by the red lines. Then a buy, so sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell. So that's in chronological order from top down to bottom, from left to right on those trades. Now there was a buy trade in here, which I've got to delete, but I can hardly see the blue line. There was a buy trade in here, and the sell, normally I would take a hedge sell, but because it was in profit, there's no use taking the hedge sell, so I might as well just wait for this MACD platinum, which is his bottom indicator, to drop down lower, then take the next buy. So I closed that sequence two buy, that gave me a small profit of $4.63. That's been added to the total. All these trades are recorded on the shared spreadsheet. That spreadsheet, the link to that is available to everyone. It's in the description of the video, so you're more than welcome to check out the spreadsheet with all my trades since the 3rd of Feb on the 12-hour charts. Now, yeah, so there was a sell signal here, taken a sell, ignored the hedge sell, and just closed the buy, because no use hedging something that's in profit when the MACD platinum, which is this bottom indicator, generally when it's below the zero level, which is this dotted line, I'm looking to buy. When it's above the zero level, I'm looking to sell. So that's the AusCAD. Moving right along. Aus New Zealand. Oh, I probably forgot to explain this. I know it's hard to see. There's a yellow dash line there. That's my overall break even for all trades. So all these trades, break evens at 90593, which is only about 18 pips below my entry level on that last trade. So it's not far at all. Aussie New Zealand. In a buy trade here, designated by the blue from here. It's gone up nicely, had this spike up. These red trend lines, I'd start drawing them in when I see something forming. With red, it's bearish divergence I'm looking for. Nothing's been confirmed yet, but I draw them in until they're either no longer valid, then I just delete them, or they're confirmed. Like this green one here is bullish divergence. It was confirmed, so it stays on the chart for now. So there's a buy here. It's gone up. The MACD platinum is just close to the zero level. Just broke this high. I've just closed half. That was 100 pips or so. So I've closed half, locked in some profit, and put a stop in place there. So that profit on that was $9.99. So it's been added to the total there. This green line down here is just parity, 1.0000, just a big number. Sometimes I draw lines that just interest me. All right, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. What have I done here? This one's doing my head in a little bit. All right, first up, I was in a buy here. I forgot to put my sequence 2 in, haven't I? I was in a buy here. That's that blue line, and that's a stop for it there. The remaining half come through and stopped out. That gave me a small profit of a whopping $1.49, which has been added to the total. So that's, I'll just get rid of these lines. I just leave the lines and so you can see them. Now there's a new sell signal here. And I forgot to write in my sequence, new sequence number. So give me 2 seconds. Don't confuse you. I'll just put that on there. Sequence 2. So sequence 1 starts on that where it is S1, and sequence 2 starts here. So I took 2 trades on this new candle. One was a hedge sell at 109,790. Then I started a new sequence, sequence 2. MACD Platinum's above the 0 level. There's hidden bearish divergence from this candle to that candle. Prices got lower highs, whereas the MACD Platinum is an oscillator. It's got higher highs. So taking a sell, a new sell, and a hedge sell. Overall break even for both trades is down here, somewhere a long way down. Don't worry about that too much. I'm just trying to concentrate on the right-hand side of the chart at the moment and try and make some dollars out of the sequence 2. Then when a new buy trade presents, if it ever does, then I'll worry about sequence 1. So that's just the plan at the moment. So that's a Swiss franc, Japanese yen, euro yen. It's getting a bit messy in here, isn't it? New sell trade taken today. Already in a buy, closed half, stops in place down just below the entry level on the buy. Taking a sell, so it's jammed in there too. Overall break even for both trades is this yellow dotted line. You can see my notes there. Because I'm negative 0.01, price has to be below that. So basically if it goes below that yellow line, it's going to stop me out on my buy trade anyway. So it's all very tight. It's with the trend trade. There's no divergence. You can see the trend designated by the moving averages, the 240 LMA, 100 EMA, and 50 EMA. Heading down, spreading slowly, gradual. So prices come back to them, gone down, lower low, come up, hasn't broken its previous high, rolled over again, heading down. So ideally you want to see this keep on rolling down and break this low here. That means the market structure will be maintained. But all very tight in the euro yen at the moment. And finally, USD CAD. In a buy here, it was all very tight and all a bit messy. Nice support level here. It's just not convincing at all. Having trouble breaking this previous high. MACD Platinum's through the 0 level, so I just decided to close. I think it was about 20 pips or something. Gave me a profit of $3.39, which has been added to the total. So that trade is no longer open. So I just closed it completely. Sometimes it's not worth a hassle when everything's tight like this. So that's a USD CAD, so that can be unchecked. No trades on there. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button or at least hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And like I always say, you're more than welcome to join the Facebook group or the Telegram groups, where I go into a little bit more depth and answer questions, etc., in a more sort of forum type setup. But anyway, I'll chat later. I might just head out for a walk. I've been doing nothing all day, so time to do some exercise. Cheers.